Hi everyone, in this video you will be seeing how to use the Learning Management System LMS of UNP Education. First go to UNP Education's website and click on Login. Log in using Google or continue with your email ID. Once this is done, you will be logged into the website. Here you can see various details about the courses. You can see the course information and what you will be learning, along with the capstone projects of our students. You can see the course content and modules. You will be also notified about the upcoming batches for that particular course. If you go to My Courses, here you will be seeing the courses that you have joined. If you click on that course, you will see the lessons. You can also see the meetings, details, along with the date, the time, and the joining link. There is announcement section. In the resources section, you can see the datasets and files which will be uploaded. You can upload your assignments in the assignment section and check the status. Once your project is done, you can do your capstone project and submit in the capstone project section. There is discussion forum where you can discuss, you can even ask questions. There is survey section and there is course information section where you will get all the details about the course and details about the instructors too. If you go to this share page, you can see the referral code. Using this referral code, you can refer this course to any of your friends. There is placement support from UNP Education, where in the placement cell section, you can see the job postings. Click on it, read the job description, and if you are interested, you can apply through the link which is given. Thank you so much for listening.